We don't wanna wake up yet, no. 'Cause I just wanna stay here right next to you, baby, yeah.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited about this video today. I have gotten a lot of requests in the past couple of years to do a garage clean out video. So as you can see, our garage it's disgusting, guys. It is cluttered, there's stuff everywhere, there's recycle, everything. So today we are going to be doing a huge clean out. We are going to be getting rid of so many things. We bought shelves and organizers so we can reorganize this space and make it a beautiful, functional garage. And I'm so excited for you guys to see the results to this video. So make sure you guys watch the whole video because I know it's going to be super satisfying. So right now we're going to go ahead and start off by just removing everything from the garage. We are going to take as much stuff out of it and go ahead and put it on the driveway.
We are green under the sun, we do our best to hide. Innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming anyway.
So I do want to say that this was probably the wrong time of year to do this, just because it's over 100 degrees and it was so hot, you guys. We were barely making it. We had to push each other to get it done.
Calling your name, oh my Indian summer. Oh my Indian summer. Oh my Indian summer.
So we did decide that the right side of the driveway was going to be trash, everything that we want to trash or donate, just get rid of. And then the left side of the driveway was going to be everything that we were going to keep and reorganize and put it back in different spaces.
Like an echo, oh, so take me away, some other place, don't wanna wait, oh my Indian summer, take me away.
So I wanted to really show you guys how dirty the garage was. So I went ahead and got a broom and swept up all the bigger pieces. And then I grabbed our blower and we are gonna blow this place clean. Let me know if you currently need to clean your garage out.
Summer, yeah. Oh my Indian summer.
I want to tell you though, I did have such a fun time doing this just because we were all pitching in and doing it together. I always enjoy cleaning and reorganizing when I'm doing it with my family. So I don't know, I just really enjoy it. I think it just makes the time more fun.
You know there's an ocean between us, don't cry about it.
If you do end up finishing the video and decide you got a lot of garage cleaning motivation or just decluttering and organizing motivation, I would really appreciate it if you guys would share this video with friends and family. So right here, I'm going ahead and showing you the mess, just everything we took out of the garage.
There's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up, give it up. Give it up, give it up. I'm wearing you out. Keep on keeping on every night.
So right over here are my husband's shelves and workbenches and all that fun stuff with tools on it and some equipment, some of his hobby things. So I just wanted to make sure I got anything that was trash that he didn't need anymore that I could remove from the shelves and throw away. And I'm also going in with a wet cloth and wiping everything down because it's super dusty, you guys, like a super thick layer of dust on everything.
You know that ain't the way. Oh no, there's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up, but you got to give it up, give it up.
So I feel like my husband, he's kind of getting some practice here in decluttering because, you know, he doesn't do it as much as I do. I feel like he took a little bit longer on deciding like what he wanted to declutter and donate and give away. Things that he really isn't using, but he was like wanting to hang on to it. And I'm like, no. You've had this for years. We don't even use it at all. You don't use it. Let's just donate it. When we do donate, we just drive it down the street to our Goodwill and we drive right up to them and they'll take everything out of our car. So it's super simple. And then anything that wasn't like good enough to donate, things that are trash that we wouldn't want someone else to have because it's trash, we got rid of that by having someone come and pick it up and then they took it to the dump.
You got to give it up, give it up. But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. No, give it up, give it up. You got to give it up.
I decided to use the blower just because there were some little areas that I couldn't really like dig into, and it kind of helped just a little bit. So what I'm doing here is just kind of putting some car wash supplies here. We got gloves, like work gloves, all types of things.
We don't wanna wake up yet, no. 'Cause I just wanna stay here right next to you, baby, yeah. 'Cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day. 'Cause we both deserve it all.
Let me know down below if you guys have any ideas of a next area that we can work on. I would love to hear your thoughts.
Then I'll make you scrambled eggs. We got no plans for the day. Let's stay inside and play video games.
All right, you guys, it is so hot. It's 104 degrees out. Anyway, the update is we are waiting for someone to come and pick up our trash. They are going to take like the mattresses and all of the trash and things like that for us. And then while we wait on that, we're gonna go ahead and build the shelves that we got from Home Depot. So right here, I'm just showing you the shelves that we picked up. We just did a pickup. We ordered online and then my hubby just went and picked it up. So right now we are building them. At first, it took us some time to kind of figure out how we were gonna build them, but it was actually super easy. So I will have them linked down below in the description box.
All work, no play. It's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day. 'Cause we both deserve it all.
So one of the things that hubby had requested from me is if I can donate some of my holiday decor, because I have a lot of old Christmas decor from over the years, some that I don't use anymore, but they're different styles. So let me know in the comments what you do. Do you keep all of the Christmas decor that you've ever bought? Or if you're changing up your style, do you donate the rest and just get new things? Like, let me know. I would love to know, because I hate getting rid of it, because I don't know if like one year I might want to do traditional colors, the next year a blue and gold, and so on. So I'd love to hear your thoughts.
I wouldn't know what to sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling.
So here are some before shots on how the garage looked. We honestly were so embarrassed to open our garage door when we needed to. We also couldn't walk through the garage to like the back door to dump our trash. Like that's how cluttered it was in there. So the fact that we have this open space and mostly everything is organized and it's pretty decent. It's a big transformation in my eyes. Let me know what you think. And then we have over here where we really cleaned and downsized on my hubby's stuff on his workbenches. We still have some work to do. I feel like we could go through some of those old paint cans and just some of those old things we could really get rid of. All the work we put into this and how hot it was and how many times we had to go inside just to get like 2 minutes of cooler air. It was all worth it. We are completely happy and we wanted to share this experience with you just to help motivate you. If there's a place that is overwhelming in your house that you really want to tackle, you guys can do it. I believe in you, and just remember the end result is going to be completely worth it. So comment down below and say hi so I know you were here. Give me a thumbs up, share the video if you enjoyed it, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Love you.